Short answer is very important. There are four aspects where the quality of HR data can have an impact on organizations. First is a term you probably heard before, garbage in, garbage out, which means that poor data can compromise the analysis of the current situation of the organization and consequently of any decision making on the changes that may affect the company. Regardless of how good the system is at modeling or processing data, if you feed it with incorrect data, then incorrect data is returned. The second point is attrition, rework, and wasted HR staff time. A study by Experian indicated a staggering 12% cost of the overall revenue just because of poor data quality. In addition, one of the biggest challenges with preparing data is that it's really time consuming. In fact, it's estimated that 80% of the overall analysis process is spent on cleaning or preparing data. When you think about it, that's 80% of the time that could be spent on more strategic initiatives. And of course, this is happening because the data has increased in size and increased in complexity in recent years and will continue to do so over time. The third point is the collaborators and the leaders of the organization, they simply lose confidence in the use of systems or solutions due to the poor data quality, and they end up not using them at all. How many times did companies invest in solutions and they ended up not using it or ended up postponing the rollout due to the poor data quality? On the flip side, improving data quality will help you regain the trust again. Last but not least, you may be breaching legal commitments or obligations which have negative financial consequences. ESG, or environmental and social governance compliance, is one example of that. Another example, in France, they have the Gender Equality Index, where companies need to report annually what the actual gender index figures are, and failure to meet a specific score can result in penalties. I believe around 1% of the overall revenue, which is quite significant. So again, it is becoming a compliance topic. So having high data quality becomes really, really important.